I never seen a man with so much dimension. It's the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you make me feel inside. It's in your smile, it's in your eyes. I don't wanna wait for tonight.
Come on, let's roll legs.
Welcome to beautiful Gainesville, Florida.
Oh, he just hit me. Call the police.
I'm Drew Carlucci with Drew Lucci and Fathom Realty, your Gainesville realtor, here to show you the vibrant lifestyle and incredible amenities our city has to offer. Today, we're exploring the Florida Museum of Natural History, one of Gainesville's top attractions. From fascinating natural history exhibits to interactive displays for all ages, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to see what's more to come. Imagine having world-class cultural experiences like this right in your backyard. Gainesville is a city rich in culture, education, and natural beauty, making it the perfect place to call home. As your Gainesville realtor, I know Gainesville inside and out. Whether you're looking for a charming family home or a luxury estate, I'll help you find the perfect fit. If you're considering a move to Gainesville, let me be your guide. Contact me, Drew Carlucci, and let's find your dream home in this amazing community. Gainesville is waiting for you. See you on the next one.
Babe, does this guy look familiar?
Oh, what is that? That's a dead fish.
Do you want me to tell you more about that fish right there?
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. So this fish right here is the lionfish. They are what we call an invasive species here in Florida. They're actually invasive throughout the southeastern U.S. and the Caribbean islands. Unfortunately, these guys are big predatory fish that like to eat smaller fish in like one big gulp. They'll use their like toxic fins to kind of corral them in and just go right for their prey. So these guys are native to the Indo-Pacific, and there they have like plenty of natural predators ranging from seabirds, sharks, and other larger marine fish. But here in like the Caribbean Ocean, the Caribbean Sea, they don't really have anything that really hunts them aside from like very large groupers. Yeah. So these guys were released by negligent pet owners in like the 90s, and almost over 30 years later, their population has ballooned and expanded. They're found as far south as like the northern coast of South America to even as far north as like Virginia now.
Goodness.
Wow.
So they have proliferated, unfortunately, and they've been threatening like reef ecosystems and even colder water habitats.
They're eating everything, of course.
Wow.
But there is like one of the biggest things that we can do to kind of reduce their population is eating them.
Eating them?
Yeah, so even though they are toxic, most of the toxins are located in their fins.
Yeah.
So people go out there, harvest them, and we can eat them.
I guess the grouper doesn't care about them being poisonous.
Yeah, they don't.
I don't think
No.
Cooper cares about anything.
That's that giant fish. That's a fox squirrel, it looks like.
Yep, I have not had the pleasure of meeting any fox squirrels yet, but I think they are found around here in Central Florida.
Oh yeah, I see him all the time.
Yeah.
I travel a lot in this area.
Yeah, have you guys found the armadillo yet?
The
I think
who?
it's over here, an armadillo. And one of these.
Oh yeah, we
bottle.
see them on the side of the road all the time.
Yeah, a bit unfortunate, but do you guys want to know some facts about the armadillo?
Sure.
Sure. So the armadillo is actually related to sloths and anteaters, believe it or not.
How about like the roly-poly?
Roly-poly, that's an insect.
I know, but they have
That's what it
the
looks
same,
like.
same characteristics.
Yeah, and you guys might know armadillos like roll up into a ball. So
Yeah.
those are like the smaller ones from South America with the 3 bands. The 9-banded armadillo actually jumps several feet in the air when it encounters a predator.
Oh Lord,
Wow.
so I'm gonna
So-
stay away from those.
Yeah.
That's funny.
So they can jump several feet in the air, and that's actually one of the big reasons why you see them on the side of the road so much. When they're in shock, they jump in the air, and that makes them easier to get hit by a semi-truck,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Okay.
They think they're
Well, you've
getting
been
hit.
great help. I
But
appreciate it.
Go on a lighter note, do you guys want like some stickers or temporary tattoos, or?
Do you want some?
Okay, awesome. We got butterflies, does that still work?
Oh yeah.
Look at that turtle.
Oh, you're so crazy. See what it is?
That's a shark fin. Shark fin, shark teeth, and a shell.
Poor shark got his fin chopped off.
This is Fanning from 1990, and this is Fanning from 2001. What the heck? This is Peacock from the 1990s, so bullshit. And this is Peacock from 2011.
What we got going on over here, Drew?
Guys,
He's
there's
looking it over. Quick one.
Look at this shell. Dad,
What?
and look at these.
They're endangered. Look at all them shells. Salamanders. 4 tiny limbs ending with 2 toes. They only got 2 toes.
We got 10. We got 5 times that many. Ooh.
Oh, there he is. Wait, remember going to a cave like this?
Yeah, dude.
Why have you ever been down here?
Look, they got stalagmites and stalactites in here.
We saw one in person. It's so cool.
Those are stalactites because they're hanging on for dear life.
And the whole time that you're in these things, it's trickling water.
Oh, yeah? Oh, my lord, it's a little spring there.
Sea biscuit up there.
Y'all look like sea biscuits.
A sea biscuit.
Scallops.
Oh, look, there's scallops.
And then we are stone crab.
So it's gotta be that one right there.
Everywhere that I
Push it.
Stone crab, and then little vertebrae. Drew, you can't click 2 at once. It's up there, guys.
We don't see no way of vertebrae.
It's way up there.
Right there. Where it's lit up. Okay. A ground sloth.
This looks just like the springs with the roots.
This is so cool.
Guys, there's more
Is
springs.
this the end?
There's more springs right there, guys.
Used dry caves for shelter for thousands of years.
There's a pot back there.
You were in a cave like this before.
Wow. That's a rattlesnake, that's right.
Red and yellow.
Or is that a kayak?
Yeah, they really stab
Needles through these guys.
Can't believe they stabbed all these guys. Poor insect scorpion. That's the word I'm looking for.
This is the shrimp.
Scorpion. I've never seen them that big though. They're a lot smaller around here.
Why they got all the
Oh,
spiders?
there's pretty butterfly. Oh, look at that. They're birds.
Yeah. And there's this one.
Oh, look at butterflies.
There's that butterfly noise.
Next door.
How many? 225 million years old.
What about this guy? Can this guy show you? Can this guy show you?
Dude, he could eat you. He could eat you in one little bite.